fire crackles through the dry brush at Riley Lake Wildlife Management Area in Price County. Two men in bright yellow shirts and forest green pants carry red drip torches to light the fire as they make their way through the knee-high brush.
Okay, take this corner a little bit further out, black it out.
The brown grass quickly blackens as fire sweeps across an open field on a windy day in the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest. The perfect weather needed for a prescribed burn.
Winds of 1 to 2 out of the northwest.
Our main goal is to keep this into a prairie edge type habitat.
Ken Pemble is a wildlife biologist with the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest. Maintaining that prairie edge type habitat is key to protecting a species of concern in Wisconsin, the sharp-tailed grouse. The population has steadily declined over the years.
This area in particular, we tie together upland habitat for mating and nesting with lowland open bog habitat where the sharp-tailed grouse will also use a lot of food sources such as cranberries and other things in that open bog. And as we tie this together, it gives them enough room to mate and live.
Pemble says there are also about 7 active leks in the area.
Leks are their dancing grounds where the males come out and do their displays. And from that, our count has gone down. We're down to about 20 birds that we know of. It's really hard to survey this.
The Forest Service estimates there are about 80 birds on the property, a far cry from the 1,000-plus Aldo Leopold once counted in the area. With only 5 such habitats in the state, Pemble says it's important to do everything they can to maintain the environment to protect the species. Every year, the Forest Service burns different sections of the Riley Lake Wildlife Management Area, hitting each one about every 4 years. Last week's burn was roughly 500 acres.
We try to have a slow, high heat and high-intensity fire take out the woody vegetation. So we'll cook the cambiums of the target species, and we'll get a really good response. The top kills will go off. We'll get all of our management techniques. Everything that's been on the ground will be consumed, and we'll actually get response from a lot of wildflowers, forbs, and blueberries.
And hopefully maintain a healthy habitat for the declining sharp-tailed grouse population.
Not easy, and things are stacked against us, but everything we're doing is to try to keep a native species on the landscape.
For WXPR News, I'm Katie Thorson.